Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to enable dark mode on your Android device. Dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain and save battery, especially on AMOLED screens. Let me show you step by step how to activate it. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Your one subscribe motivates me a lot. Alright, first of all, we are gonna open the settings app from our phone. So, swipe down the notification bar and you will see a gear icon on the top right corner. Click on that. And after that, normally you will see a search bar here. Click on that and search here, dark mode. And you will see an option, dark mode. Select that. And here, if you click on this dark mode option, then it will be turned on. If you can't see any kind of option like this, then you have to search your dark theme. Most of the phones have various settings. There can be options like dark mode or dark theme. Normally you have to turn that on. On the other hand, if you want to know the location of dark mode, normally you have to visit the display and brightness, and here you will get the options. That's very clean and simple. I think this video will help you a lot. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.